Also from my side, a warm welcome to today's webinar. My name is Edgar, and today I'm going to show you how to keep your documents and data organized with the ELO ECM Suite. Whether in ERP or CRM, as a Word document or as an Excel spreadsheet, the amount of information we generate during our work grows with each passing day. We send emails, write notes, create offers, and enter new records into our systems. In a whole week, a considerable amount of documents, records, emails, and files accumulates for each individual employee. And the same applies to every other employee who works in the company. Each of them generates information in different systems that are stored in different places. Information becomes islands that have no connection to each other. It is difficult to bring the individual pieces of information together. No one knows that there are other documents for a data record in the ERP system. Take, for example, a customer's order. The order information is stored in the CRM. Calculations, offers, call notes, and maybe even presentations are stored on the file server. Emails are stored on the mail server anyway. And purchasing works with its own ERP where further data exists. Each department stores the relevant data in its own structure and thus has an overview for itself. This is precisely why information is lost. Just imagine that the customer changes something when ordering. The sales department receives this information and the purchasing department also knows about it. However, this information is not passed on to production. In the worst case, it can happen that something is produced in production that was not ordered in this way. However, if all relevant information and documents are stored in a central location, they can no longer be lost. Because they do not have to be forwarded, they are simply available. Every department and every employee has access to all information. If the purchase department places an email where the customer wants changes to the order, it is also available in production. With the ELO ECM Suite, it is easy to keep track. All relevant information is stored in a central location and is available to other employees and colleagues. They can be easily found with the integrated search and clearly displayed in a search folder. In this way, you always have an overview and know which relevant documents and information are available for the current process. Let's see how you can keep your documents and information organized in the ELO ECM Suite. You can enter the search in your ELO client from your My ELO work area using the search tile. Another way is to use the navigation bar. Here you can start the search function by clicking Search. We'll start the search using the tile option. The ELO search window is very simple. You can enter a search term in the left-hand pane and apply filters to refine the results. You also see the search results here. The right-hand pane is the preview area. This is where you can view the documents returned by the search results. To start the search, simply enter a search term. In our case, the customer ECM LLC has a question about an offer. We know the offer was created by William Johnson and is valued at around 40,000. To find this exact offer, we start by entering the company name ECM LLC and pressing the Enter key. The search result includes all documents containing the search term, either in the metadata or in the document itself. The built-in full text recognition feature in the ELO ECM Suite searches the content of a document. You can see where the search term was found in the Hits column, in the short name, in a metadata field, in the ELO feed, or in the full text. You can use different filters to narrow down the results. Under Entry Type, you can specify which file format to look for, or when the document was created under the date options. The filed by filter lets you narrow the results down to who stored the document, and the metadata form option filters the results by the selected metadata form. To find the document we are looking for, we select William Johnson under Filed By. Under Metadata form, we select Proposal. This is the form we use to store proposals and offers. Now we click Refresh Search to start a new search with the filters. The search now returns 6 documents. You have access to additional filters besides the ones that you already see. You can enable these on the Search tab of the ribbon. Under Filters, you can select additional filters. We want to apply the field for the net amount, so we need to click Select Field. You will now see all the fields available in the proposal metadata form. The net amount field contains the net value of the offer, so we select this field and click OK. Now we can select the filter for the net amount. The net value of the offer we are looking for is 40,000, so we need to select the range 40,000 to 50,000. Now we click Refresh Search again to update the search with the new filter. There's only one document remaining, the exact one we were looking for. Do you want to know where this entry is stored? All you need to do is right-click the entry and select Go To. This takes you straight to the file's location in ELO, where you will find additional information related to the project, such as the cost analysis and correspondence about the selected offer. If the search doesn't produce the result you're looking for, you can clear the filters again. Simply select the X to the right of the filter to remove it. If we click Refresh Search, the results are updated and we can see all offers for ECM LLC. Finding information in the ELO ECM Suite is easy. Enter the search term, apply the filters you need, and you get the desired results in seconds. We have already run a search. The search result contains all offers for our customer ECM LLC. If you need to perform this search frequently, you can easily save your search preferences with the ELO ECM Suite. You will find the Search Favorites option on the Search tab of the ribbon. Here you can save a search, manage your search favorites, or access searches you saved. The first thing we are going to do is save our search by clicking Save Search. We can now choose whether we want to save the current search as a favorite or set it as the default for future searches. We'll select Add a new search favorite and call it ECM LLC Proposals. The search is now saved as a favorite. The next time you want to perform this search, all you need to do is go to the Search Favorites on the Search tab of the ribbon and select Search Favorites again. If you want to manage your search favorites, you can also do that here with the Manage Search Favorites option. You can rename or delete your search favorites here. If you enable the option Show on Ribbon, the search favorite will be displayed directly in the Search Favorites menu. Your search favorite is now listed in the drop-down menu. You can also access a search favorite from your My ELO work area. When you save a search favorite, a tile is automatically generated and placed here. You will find the tile for the search favorite in the Hidden Tiles area. If you click the search favorite, it will take you straight to the search with your saved criteria. To start the search, click Start Search. This is a convenient feature that gives you easy access to your searches later on, so that you don't have to enter search criteria every time. Besides allowing you to save a search as a favorite, the ELO ECM Suite provides another way to access previous search results. You can create a dynamic folder and add it to the entry for your customer ECM LLC in the repository. This way, colleagues also have access to them and can see all the offers at a glance. To save the search as a dynamic folder, select the option Dynamic Folder, which you'll find under Result on the Search tab of the ribbon. The first thing we need to do is to select the destination where we are going to save the dynamic folder. In this case, we'll select the folder Contilo Corp Customers ECM LLC. We could also create a child folder if we wanted to, but we don't require one. If you click OK, the folder is selected. All we need to do now is enter a name. Now when you click OK, the dynamic folder is created. This takes you straight to the new search folder in ELO, which contains all offers for ECM LLC. Now, if a new offer is created, it will be automatically stored in this folder. Just like in the search window, you can also right-click the entry here and select Go To find out where the offer is stored and what other information exists. It's that easy to stay organized. By creating a dynamic folder, your search result is also available in the repository, no matter who created the documents or where they were originally stored. With the ELO ECM Suite, time which you spent for searching the right information is reduced. You instantly find your data and documents, and you have more time for more important things. It's a single point of information, and you know where to find all information and documents. Everyone has access to the same information. Collaboration across departments and locations is improved. You can easily exchange information in an efficient and transparent way, and you get an overview when you need it. That's how easy it is to keep your documents and data organized with the ELO ECM Suite. When you want to know more about it, you can ask your questions right now.